So we can feel that, we can feel the difference. So if you breathe in again, Sarah, and then exhale. Obviously, I'm only doing it on an exhalation, okay? So they feel like there's a little bit of a spring in them. Obviously, if it's an older patient, you need to be very careful, okay? And then as you inhale again, Sarah, and then as she exhales, I'm just going to do the left one this time, okay? So I'm going to give a little bit of frontal plane retraction. So as I do that, I'd want to see a translation of her ribcage a little bit to the right. So as I push down on her left side and push in, what I'm actually checking is, does she have the mobility for a side flexion assessment? So we know that Sarah's a little bit stiff with her side flexion, so that's what I'm checking there. So as I'm pushing left, I'm feeling, does her right ribcage respond? Okay, so if you breathe in again, if you exhale, okay, so I'm giving her a little bit more side flexion now. I'm getting a little bit, I feel like these tissues aren't lengthening as much. And then I'm going to check her other side, and then exhale. So depress, okay, and as I push there, they're feeling a little bit stiff. So I'm picking up at the moment, and she probably has a little bit of sensitivity here, around serratus anterior, around intercostals. I think there's a little bit of stiffness that we may need to desensitize, okay? Now, we'll use our key performance indicators at this point, okay? So we'll check Sarah's flexion again. Okay, you still getting that pinch, Sarah? At the end, okay? So again, if you inhale, and then if you exhale, okay, can you hold it there for me, Sarah? And just give it a really good push down. Okay, keep exhaling. That's it. And then if we recheck that, we get a lot more movement. Is that all right? Does that take it off? So we're kind of thinking at the moment that our lower intercostals need to, our lower intercostals be right, but also our lower iliocostalis needs to lengthen a little bit. But also we need a bit more motor output through her left internal obliques. Let's check her right side. So if I check it normal again, probably feels a little bit stiffer than your left. Anything in your groin there, Sarah?
Just a little bit.
A little bit, okay. And then if you breathe in again, and then can I borrow your hand? Sorry, can I borrow your hand and exhale? Okay, I'm just going to get her to push down. And we're going to recheck that. And that helps quite a bit as well. Does that take it away? Yeah, so I can feel the difference there.